Hey, good morning everyone. This is Jibril for the SPX Ninja. Today we are looking at the S&P 500, and just a note, I have switched over to using CFD contracts called contracts for difference, and they are much closer to the actual spot price than the futures. So I'm going to use that. So just so we are closer to the S&P 500 price, and instead of having the 3 or 4 points premium that futures have above they're basically, so if right now if S&P 500 would be 2766, the futures contract might show 2769, even 2770. In any case, we are right now either going through a complex correction that started in January and would come down to here, or we have completed a triangle correction here, and then we have broken above this triangle line and we are going upwards. So those are the two scenarios that I'm monitoring. Right now, nothing is giving itself more of an edge. So both options are on the table. I'm slightly leaning towards the pullback into here because I feel there is a lot of bullish sentiment that we may have started a new bull market. But at the same time, when we broke this and we came back to retest this, but at the same time, because the market hasn't exactly exploded upwards either, there have been a lot of ups and downs here. Maybe it has taken out all the longs that were getting too optimistic. So at this point I can't say what I think is going to happen in either direction. But let's see that what is the next move if it's either scenario, and both of them for me are looking for a move upwards. One is to complete this pattern, and if it is that we're gonna go completely up and then down, it should go above 2800, which was the high here. We want to see at least something about 2800. And also, if you look at the wave pattern, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need a 5. So above 2800 is the minimum requirement, in my opinion. If we are, in the very bullish scenario, this would be a wave 1 from here, a 2, and then this would be a start of a 3. So that would be very, very powerful. So either way, we should be going up from here. The pullback that we saw into the 2730s was it was okay because it didn't violate this price level here, 2729 area. So it's still above it could still be counted as an impulsive move. However, the move above this, like the move up from here, is not in any clear impulsive wave. It's just a lot of up and down on the way up here. So I can't really label the internals here too well. So I am not clear if this is the start of a new up move or not. If we take the assumption that it is, then the pullback we're getting right now would be completely acceptable. So this would be a 1, a 2, and then we can expect a 3 coming up, which would be powerful and should take us above 2800 in short order. So I'm sorry I don't have too much of a clear indication as to what exactly is going to happen next. But in all cases, either we can see a move up straight from here, or maybe a little bit more sideways or downwards move, and then up from here, up from there. So that is the best I can do at this point. What I would recommend traders is to go with the intraday charts and see if you're above moving averages, and just go with the flow of the market. Right now on a 34-minute here, I have a very neutral market. On the 5-minute, we could have bottomed here and we could be turning. So I will just look to play along with this on intraday trade basis and see how the day goes to decide where are we on this longer term pattern. Okay, That's what I have for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day trading.